Actually, the first one should be a blank, and it's the Marshall Eubanks. So, Emily, can you hold off for a second, because Marshall is actually the next one, but we don't have you talk.
That's a fine slide. I don't mind.
It is. Okay, you have a minute. You want to chat with this for a preview, or just move on?
I'll go ahead.
You want to chat for about 40 minutes of the preview for your poster without
40 seconds. I could do 40 minutes, but
okay. 40 seconds.
So we've been working on subsurface temperatures to try and figure out where there might be water at depths and at what depths. And I have to say that I've become convinced that I don't think we're going to find a lot of surface water. And the reason for that is what I call the lunar obliquity crisis that happened about halfway through the lunar history, where the moon flipped its Cassini state and the obliquity went very high. And so all the permanently shallow regions were exposed to a substantial amount of sunlight. And so unless we really are not understanding the lunar rotation as well as we think we do, they all got baked out about 2-3 billion years ago. And it's not clear to me whether they could have been replenished, but there could be still water at depth. And so that's really what we're focusing on, is water at depth. And so come to the poster, we can talk about water at depth where there might be liquid water, even you could just drill and suck up.
All right, we got to move on. We got to move on. Thank you, Marshall. I'm glad you gave that preview, even though we couldn't get your slide up.